Rotary friction welding is a solid state joining process where you have a spinning part and a fixture part, and when you bring the two into contact it creates friction and heat, and then when you perform an upset then you'll make a weld. Due to the high heat and deformation that goes into rotary friction welding, you have a really recrystallised microstructure in the weld that gives mechanical properties comparable to the bulk material. Rotary friction welding can be used in combination with some of our other forging and incremental technology processes such as flow forming or radial forging, and therefore we can make high integrity components that are near net shape manufacture, so it means we use less material and there's less product waste. The 125 tonne and 300 tonne rotary friction welding machines at the AFRC are the biggest in any research centre in the UK. We're working with our Tier 1 members and from customers in the aerospace, defence and oil and gas sector to work on this new technology. Rotary friction welding is fast and energy efficient and can save our customers time and money.